Welcome to our 12 days of Christmas in the kitchen. Come with me as I share how we celebrate the 12 days of Christmas in our family. Each day I'll be sharing a recipe. Some are part of our yearly traditions, and some are brand new to us this year. I am so excited to bring you along and share each one. On day 4, our 4 calling birds turn into chicken potato latkes. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and filled with savory chicken, this is comfort food at its finest. Perfect for a cozy winter snack when the house feels quiet and everyone is craving something hearty. Christmas in our home isn't just about sweets, it's also about warm, nourishing meals that gather everyone at the table. Today I'm going to make some latkes. I'm actually going to make 2 types of latkes. I'm going to make some shredded chicken latkes. I had some shredded chicken left over, and I'm going to keep some of them plain. In my bowl I have some flour, salt, black pepper, and paprika. I am going to shred my russet potatoes. I have already peeled them and washed them, and I'm also going to add in the eggs. The recipe calls for about 2 cups of shredded potatoes, but we're a family of 5, so I'm going to make 1.5 times what the recipe calls for. So make sure you do a really good job getting this all together. You want those potatoes to be well coated with the eggs. So I'm switching to a rubber spatula because I want to make sure I get everything on the bottom well incorporated, and I don't want to scratch the bottom of my glass bowl with my metal utensil. So I'm going to switch to my spatula. This looks really good and it's ready for the stove. So like I said, I'm going to divide this in half. I'm going to put some of this with the shredded chicken, and then I'm going to keep some of it just plain. All right, here it is. So I've shredded my chicken as best as I can, and then I'm going to add a little bit of this to my chicken, and then just mix that all together.
That looks yummy.
Alright, this will be for the adventurous bunch amongst us. And then I'll leave the rest for everyone else. Looks pretty good. Alright, to the stove we go. In a shallow pan, you're going to heat some oil, and then you're just going to spoon in your mixture a few bits at a time. You're going to cook them until they're golden brown on both sides. Once they're golden brown on both sides, you want to pull them from the oil, rest them on some paper towels for draining purposes. So the potato latkes are done. These are the ones that are plain. These are the ones that I added some shredded chicken to. They are delicious. What I'm about to do now is to create a dipping sauce for anybody who wants to dip. I'm going to use some of my strawberry cranberry jam that I made earlier and put it in my container here for those who want to dip. Guys, I can tell you this is a new favorite in our household. They are delicious. They are also easily customizable, so whatever you want to add to them, you can add to them. I will be sure to list all the recipes in the description box down below. I will include links to any recipes that are not my own. Some of these recipes are my own and are available in my cookbook. I will leave a link to that cookbook, which is available on Amazon, in the description box below. I will also leave the recipe here on the screen for you so that you can screenshot the video and save the recipe. Thanks so much for spending this time with me in my kitchen each day. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.